every day that I get to sell my best Jeep friend's home, but guess what? Today is that day. And if you are looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, single-story home in the Northwest, you are going to love this. It has new carpet, stainless steel appliances, and a great backyard. Come on, let me go give you a tour. Here we are in this super cute backyard, the perfect place to have your first cup of coffee or a barbecue with your friends. If you would like a private tour of this amazing home, all my contact info is below. Just contact me today. I'm Wendy Goff, and I would love to be your real estate boss. Should I have kept walking?
It just turned, it was fine.
I know! To me, and I would love to, God damn it, garage with a single, it's not with a single story. Okay, come